number of people filing initial unemployment claims in Colorado did drop last week, but still over 14,000 people filed for those claims. The state's Labor Department has paid out nearly $4.3 billion in unemployment benefits since March. Rick Salinger joins us live tonight to talk more about it. Rick, there is a new help for people that are trying to get information about their claims.
Karen, that help comes in the form of a computer software upgrade. There have been a lot of people who have had a lot of problems getting their issues resolved.
Welcome to Colorado Unemployment Insurance.
It's a call Ellie Dumas says he has been making 20 to 50 times per day with no luck. He is the single father of a 4-year-old girl. His records show he is due some $7,000.
So I wasn't receiving money for unemployment, and I wasn't receiving income.
Now the Department of Labor and Employment has upgraded its online system for people like Ellie.
Welcome, I'm the virtual assistant. Please click here to get started.
It should now be able to identify your particular claim.
We do believe that it will just continue to help us address what we saw with the call center activity now that we're providing more automated 24/7 access to information and services.
After months without work, Ellie is now starting to get back on his feet with his job as a massage therapist. But he lost his place to live in the process.
I was forced to move out of,
He has gotten by with help.
they asked me to leave, and a neighbor set up a GoFundMe page. And with my friends and family, I was able to raise enough money to move in here.
The Department of Labor says the problem was he didn't check in every 2 weeks to report his job status as required. But Ellie Dumas says he couldn't get through. The state says it will straighten this out. In Denver, Rick Salinger, covering Colorado First.
Such